and made it happen. Few bumps was in a row, but stay proactive. Yeah, running like my stash still in the Mac.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Born in June. How you doing or whatever? Hey kings and queens. So today is your girl budget breakdown video. It's my paycheck bill tracker day. So I am going to be doing that for you guys. If you guys like this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below if there's something you see or you want to know more about, and don't forget to subscribe. But let's get into the video, y'all. Let's go. Okay guys, so this is my paycheck bill tracker. This is the tracker by the Budget Mom. I have decided for this month I'm going to fill out all of my categories, or the ones that I know I use for my paychecks and everything, and then I'll write in the amounts, and then anything else that needs to be added in, I'll add in as I go. But I wanted to have everything written out because this ain't gonna be that long of a video. You get what I'm saying? So yeah, let me move the envelope breakdown over, and we are just gonna do the paycheck bill tracker. So first things first, these are my 2 pens that I use whenever I'm doing my paycheck breakdown, whenever I'm writing these. These are the Pilot G207 pens, and this is in purple and this is in blue. If you guys do not know, purple are those payments that are automatic or they stay in the bank, and then purple are the payments that are actually taken out of the bank. So just so you guys know what's up, that's what they are. So we are going to start off, and also I forgot to add in green, guys. Green is basically my balance color. So automatic, withdrawal money, and balance money. So okay, now that we got the colors out of the way, we know what's up, let's start with the paycheck bill tracker for July, my 1 July paycheck. So we're gonna start off with the purple pen because paycheck number 1 is the first thing that's on here. My paycheck number 1 is $641.55. That is how much I am getting for this paycheck. If you are new to the channel, I have 3 allotments. They're basically like money I set aside until the 1st of every month. And it's something that's available to me while in the military, so that is what I do. This first allotment that is going to Navy Federal, that will be $2,900. And so I get paid twice a month as a military member, and this is split between both paychecks. So what is this? $1,450 comes out of my 15th paycheck, and then $1,450 comes out of my first, and then they just give it to me all as a lump sum payment. Now we are going to move on to my second and third allotments. These are automatic allotments, which automatically goes into the bank, so they will be in blue. So the first allotment for Navy Federal is $260, and then the allotment number 3, which is USAA, is $295. The only amount on here which tends to change is my paycheck amount. Everything else tends to be the same. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna add everything up. So this is $641.55 plus $2,900 plus $260 plus $295. So our amount is $4,096.55. So I'm just gonna write that in. And these 3 numbers stay the same because these numbers, I set those, and then the only thing that changes is my paycheck, and that just depends on the currency conversion rate of the month. So it is what it is. The next things are my bills. These bills are the same, they don't change. The only thing that would change probably would be a phone bill, but I set the amount for all of these, so I'm just gonna fill them in and then make comments as I go. So my rent, electricity, and gas, they're all estimates of the amount that's put in there. My tithing amount, this is 10% of what I make for the entire month, and so that will be whatever that amount is. Groceries I set as a certain amount. Gas, I don't really drive that much, so the amount that I set works for me. Savings, I put this automatically to my savings account, so I never see that money. That is what this allotment is. That is this saving actually. So I never see that money. It just goes directly into that account. Then my insurance, Netflix, Apple Music, phone bill Korea, phone bill USA, and USA saving. Well, my phone bill USA, all these are bills, and so I just pay those on, I set money aside on the first of the month to pay them, and then USA savings is just the difference of this $295 minus these bills, the insurance to my phone bill USA. This USA savings is just the difference between this amount and what these amount total to. So I'm gonna put in the numbers in all these, add them up, and then come back to you guys. So the total, which the total is always done in purple, the total is $2,765. And the reason I'm able to go through this so fast is because these amounts never change for my bills. They're always the same unless I change something, and if that's the case, then I'll let you guys know in the video. But normally these amounts never change, so I'm like, you know what, sis, you don't even need to include that, so let it go. But we are going to do this $4,096.55 minus this $2,765, $1,331.55, and that will be written in green. Okay, now we're gonna move down to our envelopes, and we're gonna put this $1,331.55 there, and we are gonna fill out all of these. All of these together, it will equal to $220 as the total for the cash envelopes. And so we are gonna subtract 1331.55 minus 220. And honestly, guys, the reason I'm able to go through this is because I had a cheat sheet, and I was just like, listen, I do this every month where I go over the same thing. Why not just, you know, have it written all out and then just go through it with you guys, because you guys know what's coming. Usually if there's any changes, it will be under my envelope section, or it will be under my sinking funds, but or debt and extra savings, but we're good. We're good. So now we are gonna move on to our sinking funds. I always put these on here, but I never had them in sinking funds. I never had a sinking funds envelope. I does all one thing, but your girl has moved up now. So our leftovers, $1,111.55, and we're gonna fill out our maintenance, well, our sinking funds. Okay, y'all, so first of all, made a mistake. Birthdays is only supposed to be $86. Child, it's supposed to be only $86. It was including, this birthday money was including birthday plus this Christmas money. Nah, birthdays, US, Canada, and JA is only $86. So let's try again. YouTube is 15 ish. Okay, y'all, second mistake. YouTube is 15, not 10. Child, I was like, why is this not coming out to what I need this to be? YouTube is 15, Chile. One last time. $431, that's what I needed it to be. So sinking funds total is $431, and so 1111.55 minus 431, 680.55. That's what's left over. And so as you guys know, your girl is debt free, baby, period. So we don't got no debt, so we ain't putting no extra debt, you know. We moving on to extra savings because that's what it is. It is what it is, baby. Okay, so extra savings is $680.55. And I didn't write it down in here, but we are doing our savings and our saving challenges, which is just our 5K and 10K. So for savings, that will be in blue because it is a automatic transfer, so it is 55 cents. And then our saving challenges will be 680. So that has a sinking funds total of 680.55, and then our leftover will be 0. And if you do total income minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which is basically the entire sheet. So if you do total income minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, this will equal to 0. Yes, ma'am. Whoo, child. I thought we were going to have a problem again, but it's cool. Okay, next thing we're going to do is our cash envelope breakdown. We're going to do our cash envelope breakdown because, yeah, this is what we're going to get out of the bank. So I'm going to do everything in purple because purple means we're taking it out of the bank. So we're doing everything in purple. And so let's write her down. What did I do wrong? Okay, y'all, so this should be 23. It should be 230. Okay, so this is 23, 230. Okay, cool. Alright guys, so that is basically my breakdown of basically my paycheck for 1 July, and also the cash envelope breakdown of what I will be getting out of the bank. And they are flying, but you know what, it's cool or whatever. So that is basically it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked the video. I hope you enjoyed. Obviously, girl made a couple mistakes. Listen, this is my second time making this because like the first time we made a whole bunch of mistakes and I was just like, no, we gotta redo, and we still came back and made mistakes. Listen, it just shows no one's perfect. You know, I do have cheat sheets before I start these, but it is what it is. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave a comment down below and subscribe to the channel. Subscribe, guys. Also, you know, if you would like to watch one of my other videos, you know, I'll have it at the end of the screen, and I hope you enjoy. And yeah, if you did, you know, give your girl a like on that one too. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. All right, peace out. I just had to change it, guys. Spirit Fingers was just not doing it for me, so peace out.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.